எப்படி சொல்லலாம் linear expansion? The small change in temperature for small change in temperature. What is small change in temperature? நமக்கு தெரியும் delta T. Small change in temperature delta T. Next, the fractional change in length. So fractional change in length, I am taking what is that? Delta L by L naught. Okay, இது எதுக்கு proportional ஆகும்னா is directly proportional to delta T. Okay, so for small change in temperature delta T, the fractional change in length delta L by L naught is directly proportional to delta T. So இது எப்படி ஆகலாம்? We can write one equation எழுதலாமா? I am writing the equation is, what is that? So delta L by L naught is directly proportional to delta T. எழுதலாமா? இது better. So delta L by L naught is directly proportional to delta T. The proportionality cancel பண்ணிட்டு ஒரு constant போடும் இல்லையா? So எப்படி எழுதலாம்? So what do you write? So delta L by L naught is directly proportional to delta T. So in the proportionality cancel பண்ணதுக்கு I am putting one constant. So அப்படியே எழுதலாம் delta L by L naught is equal to alpha. இதுக்கு பேர் alpha L delta T. So இந்த இது proportionality cancel பண்ணதுக்கு ஒரு constant போடுவோம். இந்த கான்ஸ்டன்ட்டுக்கு பேர் ஆல்ஃபா எல்லுக்கு பேர் தான் coefficient of linear expansion. Coefficient of linear expansion. இதை define பண்ணலாமா? How we are going to define? We can define that. So what is the coefficient of linear expansion is defined as, எப்படி define பண்ணலாம்? The ratio of increase in length of a body per degree rise in temperature to its unit length. இது பேர் தான் coefficient of linear expansion. What is coefficient of linear expansion? The ratio of increase in length of body per degree rise in temperature to its unit length, called coefficient of linear expansion. Okay, this is called coefficient of linear expansion. Okay, so every equation we can write the equation delta L by L naught equal to alpha L delta T. Okay, what is delta L na artham? Delta L na change in length. What is change in length? Final length லருந்து original length minus பண்றது தான். Okay, so what is L naught? Original length. L naught is original length. What is delta T? Change in temperature. Change in temperature. What is change in temperature? final temperature to minus original temperature. That's change in temperature. Okay. What is alpha L? Coefficient of linear expansion. Okay, coefficient of linear expansion. So what is the equation? Linear expansion delta L by L naught equal to alpha L delta T. Okay. Next, superficial expansion or area expansion. Okay. So your diagrammatical representation as well. So first definition. If there is an increase in the area of a solid object due to heating, then the expansion is called area expansion or superficial expansion or area expansion. If there is an increase in area of solid object due to heating, then the expansion is called area or superficial expansion. Okay. So எப்படி diagrammatically represent பண்ணலாமா? We can draw the one diagram. ஒரு area இருக்கு. See, this is இதோட ஏரியா A நாட் எடுத்துக்கிறேன். இது ஃபுல்லாக ஒரு ஏரியா. ஓகே. ஸோ we are applying one heat அப்ளை பண்ண உடனே என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா இவ்வளோ தூரம் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகுது. ஏரியா அப்படியே இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகுது. ஓகே, இவ்வளோ தூரம் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகுது. ஸோ எவ்வளோ தூரம் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகிருக்குன்னா முன்னாடியே பார்த்துருப்போமே, டெம்பரேச்சர் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆச்சுன்னா சேஞ்ச் இன் டெம்பரேச்சர்னா டெல்டா டி. இங்கே என்ன பண்ணோம், டெல்டா ஏ ஏரியா இன்க்ரீஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ எப்படி சொல்லலாம் இப்போது? ஸோ டெஃபினிஷன் எழுதலாமா? எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன். சி திஸ் எப்படி சொல்லலாம்? For a small change in temperature delta T, the fractional change in area என்னது, delta A by A naught. இதான் fractional change in area. Okay, of a substance is directly proportional to delta T. So இது எப்படி ஒரு ஈக்குவேஷன் ஆகலாம்? we can write delta A by A naught is directly proportional to delta T. So போன தடவை எழுதுற மாதிரி அப்படியே தான், delta A by A naught is directly proportional to delta T. இந்த proportionality கேன்சல் பண்ணுற ஒரு கான்ஸ்டன்ட் போடலாமா? So we can write delta A by A naught equal to, I am writing one constant, and the constant தான் alpha A, okay, into delta T. What is alpha A? Coefficient of area expansion. இது ஒரு definition சொல்லலாமா? What is the definition of coefficient of area expansion? So I can write, எப்படி சொல்லலாம்? The ratio of increase in area of a body of a body per degree rise in temperature in area of the body to its unit area is called coefficient of area expansion or superficial expansion. Area or superficial expansion. So SI unit of coefficient of superficial or areal expansion is Kelvin minus 1, அதாவது per Kelvin அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். So what is the equation? Delta A divided by A naught is equal to alpha A delta T. இப்போ explanation எழுதலாமா? What is delta A? Change in area. That is final area இருந்து minus initial area. Okay. So next, what is A naught? Original area. So third is, what is delta T? Change in temperature. What is change in temperature? Final temperature இருந்து initial temperature. Okay. What is alpha A? Coefficient of superficial or area expansion. Okay, this is very important equation. Delta A by A naught equal to alpha A delta T. Okay, இது பேர் தான் வந்து superficial expansion or area expansion. Okay. So today assignment is, you have to write, so what is characteristic features of heat energy transfer. Second, define calorie and kilocalorie. What is today's assignment? What is characteristic feature of heat energy transfer? Define calorie and kilocalorie. So third one is, what is the effect of heat energy? So fourth one is, explain linear expansion and explain superficial or area expansion. Okay, so 5 question. So submit the assignment in a prescribed mail as soon as possible. So doubt na, any doubt means ask me. Thank you students, have a nice day.